Hi everybody, how you doing? Oh my goodness. It is 2022, guys. Happy New Year. Oh, I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited. I haven't uploaded in over a month, but shit happens, but we're grateful to God for life and good health. But I am happy to be starting 2022 with a bang. I'm excited. So today I'm going to be collaborating with one of my favorite top fashion YouTubers. Guys, can you guess? Kim Dave. Kim Dave, yes, you heard me, Kim Dave. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited.
This one is in collaboration with Jennifer of Above and Beyond Designs. Now, back in 2021, we decided to actually work on a project where we made matching pair of trousers.
So I reached out to her last year and I was like, Kim, would you like to do a collaboration? I'm not a big YouTuber. And she's like, come on, girl, let's do it. I was like, okay, Kim Dave, Jennifer Anidu, what a bang. So I'm so excited to be showing you guys what we create and how we style it. We're going to be using the same fabric, but we're going to be creating two different designs, pants, and then we're going to have a video at the end of how we styled it and everything. So if you want to see how that turned out, keep watching. And if this is your first time of seeing, excuse me, this is the first time of seeing me, Yoasa. My name is Jennifer Anidu. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Texas, and I create content around fashion, dress reviews, and vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, guys. Like, share. Let's build a community, of amazing people. Help me grow, let's grow together. It's 2022. Let's do stuff differently this year. I'm just excited. So without further ado, let's just get straight to the video, guys. So guys, this is the pattern that I'm going to be working with. It's a basic palazzo pattern. Kim has a detailed video on her channel where she drafted a basic pattern for a women's pants and a palazzo. So I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Guys, go check it out. She's very detailed in pattern drafting. And then this is the back, and of course this is the front. So I'm going to be using these two patterns to create mine. I'm going to be creating the joggers, so I'm going to put elastic at the bottom and elastic at the waist, something I can just, something comfy chic that I can wear to the fabric store or just grocery shopping, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is the fabric that we're working with. I love it. It has green, my color, red, my color, you know what I'm saying? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out this pattern and let's see what we make. So guys, I'm done cutting my patterns. Yeah, I cut out the front and the back pattern. Yep, this is the back, and then this is the front, two each. And then I cut out pockets. I wanted to have pockets so I can just kind of put my keys in there or my phone. Yeah, so two each. And I used a regular commercial pattern pocket pattern that I already had. I couldn't find the one I drafted. So yeah, in 2022 we gotta make life easy. I'm a mom of 4 amazing kids, so I have to make life a lot easy for myself, you know what I mean? Yeah, so this is the waistband. It's on fold, and I'm gonna put my elastic in. Yes, it's gonna have elastic here. I'm gonna put elastic here, but I'm gonna create a casing from here. Yeah, so guys, let's get to the sewing table. So I wanted to try the pants to see how it fits. Well, I haven't put the waistband yet. So I'm going to put the waistband and then the elastic now. But I like it. Hi guys, how you doing? So I'm done attaching the elastic to the waistband of the pants, and I did the same for the bottom part. I used a 1/4 elastic for the bottom part, and I used 1.5 elastic for the waist part. Yes, I am so excited. I can't wait to show you guys how I styled this and how Kim styled hers. Guys, wait, it's amazing. So I'm so excited that I got to collaborate with Kim, and I cannot wait to collaborate with other fashion creators. It's just the thing we should do in 2022 and going forward, you know, get to collaborate with each other. You never know. And I'm going to be leaving Kim's link to her own video in the description box, and the links to all her social media, so you guys can go follow her and see the amazing stuff she does. She's really good. I mean, you know, and I'm someone that, you're good. Yeah, I'll say you're good. Trust me, you know, and I learned from her a lot as well. So if you're a beginner, I encourage you to learn to draft a pattern. It would help you. I'm a mom of 4, guys, and I was able to do all this today in between school runs and everything that I got to do. You know, I can imagine if I didn't have a basic pants pattern, I'll have to draft, but it saved me a lot of time, and it will save you too. So guys, let's see how we both style this. See you guys soon.